Hello, this is CJ Lindberg, and this is CJ's Crypto Trading Odyssey. If you want to learn how to profit on more than 90% of your trades, keep watching. Hello, I'm back. It's been a very interesting about 5 weeks since we spoke last. My last video was on March 18th. At that time, the COVID-19 virus pandemic was about a week or two old. The crypto markets and the equity markets had just tanked significantly. We were working our way back up from that, and it was kind of chaotic. Something else that happened in March, which set me back a bit, was the delisting of a couple coins I was trading on Binance, a platform which I use to trade cryptocurrency. You might recall from my last month's episode where I talked in some detail about bull and bear coins. Well, Binance decided to delist those because people were being confused about the leverage aspect of those coins, and some other reasons as well. And they gave us about 2 days to liquidate our positions and get them off the Binance platform. This caused me to incur some pretty significant losses. At the time, I was up over $8,000 for the month. After I liquidated those positions and I moved a couple over to a new platform, I'd lost $2,900. So what had been about an $8,200 profit dwindled down to about $5,000. So fortunately, I had done well enough in March that that loss, though it stung, didn't set me back too much. And in April, I find myself just being more cautious overall in my trades, so I've traded a lot less this month than I did in February and March. But what I want to focus on today is that with the tools and the information I've learned since January, I have hit pretty consistently 90% profit. My trades have been 90% profitable. I'll bring up my spreadsheet. Okay, looking at my spreadsheet. In January, I made 112 trades. I had 5 losses, 0 open orders from that time. 107 profitable trades for a success rate of 96%. It's actually my highest success rate so far. In February, I had more trades, 169, 6 losses. I have 9 open orders from that month still. You might recall that Bitcoin actually it was over 10,000 in February, so I need it to get back to that level before some of these trades have a realistic chance of being profitable. Anyway, I had 154 profitable trades for a 91% success rate. For the purposes of this, I'm counting the open orders as losses. In March, 132 total trades, 17 losses, most attributed to the bear and bull coin delisting I described earlier. I have 2 open orders from March, and that means 113 profitable trades for an 86% success rate. And so far in April, where I've traded quite a bit less, I have 57 total trades, 2 losses, 4 open positions, 51 profitable trades for an 89% success rate. So taking those 4 months together, my success rate is over 90% based on the tools and the education I've received so far. Going to my notes, I just want to emphasize that we still have the Bitcoin halving coming up, most likely early to mid-May. Most experts believe that this will lead to a significant rise in the Bitcoin price, which should pull up all the other altcoins that I like to trade. One can argue that a lot of that is priced into the current Bitcoin price already, which is around $7,500, $7,600 at the time of this video. It has come up over $1,700 since my last video in March, where it was about $5,800 at that time. So the trend is up. I look for it to hit around 8,000, drop some, and then probably eventually work its way up to 10,000 to 11,000 mid to late summer. But everyone has an opinion about Bitcoin. So far this month, I've earned about $2,800. I think I should probably top her out around $3,000 for the end of the month. I have traded less as I'm focusing more on my online marketing businesses, but it's still a great part-time gig. I mean, I work maybe 2 hours a day, about an hour a day on the weekends on Bitcoin, on cryptocurrency trading. Plus, it's a lot of fun. I really enjoy it. So I encourage you to, if you have an interest in trading cryptocurrency, check out the slideshow that comes after this, and then in the comments I'll have some tools referenced that I use that also support this channel. So that's all I have for today. I will see you next month. Goodbye. I almost forgot references to my past videos. If you want to learn more where I come from, I started these videos back in November. Go to this channel here, and that's a picture of my most recent video, and then there are 4 that precede it, so I have 6 total. We'll see you next time. Bye.